Hi, Jason Knott with CE Pro, and I'm excited to be joined today by Kim Durkot, Segment Marketing Manager for Intermatic. Hi, Kim. Thanks for joining me today.
Hi, thank you for having me.
What are the advantages for integrators to choose hubless lighting control systems?
So one of the main advantages is just the simplicity of not having to deal with a hub. A lot of times homeowners will become frustrated in working with a hub-based system, whereas the Ascend unit works off of Wi-Fi. Another advantage of that is for new construction projects. So when contractors are out setting up the lighting devices, there's usually not Wi-Fi in a home that's not being occupied yet. So with Ascend, the contractor uses their mobile device as a peer-to-peer access point, and so they can fully set up and program the lights before there's actually a Wi-Fi connection. And also, the handoff from the contractor to the homeowner is seamless and very simple to do.
What exactly is a pre-programmed lighting control?
So with the Ascend Smart, there are 3 templates that are pre-programmed into the device. So this helps speed up the install of the device itself. So 80 to 90% of the programs that are put into this are covered by one of these 3 templates. So the installer can just choose the template that he wishes to use and program the device with that. The templates also can be customized. So if an installer has a very large project, multiple homes, they can actually create a custom schedule, save it to their mobile device, and then call it up and use it in the next installation. Or if they have a fellow team worker that's across town, they are able to either email or text that schedule to their coworker, who can then use it on the devices they're installing.
What are some of the more common applications that integrators are going to find their clients need in their lighting control?
So homeowners, most of these are installed for porch lights, garage lights, for security reasons, so there's a light on at home. They use them when they're on vacations. They can customize the schedule to make it look like somebody's at home when they're not. They can put it on a random mode so that it'll turn on maybe a couple minutes earlier or later over the course of the week. But it's also for convenience.
What are some of the ways you're seeing homeowners interact with their lighting control systems?
So years ago, homeowners weren't as used to using an app to control lighting or other devices within their home, but nowadays it's definitely become more common. Even so, we've created Ascend with the large LCD screen so that homeowners and users have the option of either controlling the device at the device itself using the LCD interface or through the app itself.
And you found that clients are comfortable using an app for their lighting control?
Yes. Absolutely. More and more as smart home technologies are taking off and consumers are becoming more familiar with them, wanting to try out the smart devices in their homes, they're becoming accustomed to having apps for their lighting, for thermostats, for their window shades, just anything and everything that you can think of nowadays.
How can integrators get more information on Intermatic?
They can go to intermatic.com, to our website, and we have a full page with all the information regarding Ascend. And we also have a lot of videos that are very helpful to distributors, to homeowners, to contractors, installers on our Intermatic YouTube channel.
Kim Durkot, Segment Marketing Manager at Intermatic. Thanks for joining CE Pro today.
Thank you.